How to cash out PayPal Temu. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can cash out PayPal on Temu. First, you want to make sure you're signed up as Temu affiliate. For that, you can open up any web browser and search Temu affiliate program, then head over to affiliate program over here. Now tap on get started. Now, you want to earn commissions by sharing your referral link or coupon code, competing in the ranking race every 3 days, or hitting referral milestones. Once your commission balance meets the payout threshold, open Temu affiliate dashboard, then tap withdraw, choose PayPal, enter the amount and your PayPal email address, and tap submit. You see a confirmation on screen and funds should arrive in your PayPal account within minutes. From PayPal, you can then transfer your balance to your bank under wallet and then tap transfer funds. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.